Hello, this is Mr. Buffington, and today we are doing some critical thinking, which is an important mathematical skill. Let's talk about critical thinking when we're dealing with mean, median, and mode. First off, a quick review of mean, median, and mode. I'm going to do this very, very fast. If it's the first you've ever heard of it, this is not a full lesson about it. But here's what they are. The mean is the exact average. You add up the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. So with this list I have here, 47252, I would add up those numbers and divide by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the average of those numbers is 4. The median is the middle of those numbers. So you place them in order, locate the middle. So I've placed them in order, I kind of cross off on my way to the center. The median is 4. Hey, the mean is 4, the median is 4. Sounds great. And then the mode, which is another measure of center, is the number that appears the most. So in this case, we have 2, 2, 4, 5, 7. 2 appears twice, so that is the mode. Now you might say, what does this have to do with critical thinking? And I'm going to change the numbers in that list, and then we'll go through and then we're going to give it context and see if perhaps we can start learning something from this process. Let's do it. If our list was 161044, the mean is the exact average. So we add up those numbers and divide by 5. We get 1015 divided by 5. The average of those numbers is 203. The median is the middle number. So we list the numbers in order, cancel out the smallest, largest until we get to the middle, 4. And the mode is the number that appears the most, which is 4. So the mean is 203, the median is 4, and the mode is 4. So let's think about that. Look at how different those values are. Now this becomes important when we make it into money. So I'm going to just take that same list, the mean, median, and mode, and list them there. And I'm going to make these people earning money. And watch what happens to this. I have one person who's making $1, one person who's making $6, I have a person making $4, another one making $4, and then I have the king making $1,000. Now the king has an announcement to make to the people. Our community is doing well, our country is doing well, our kingdom is doing well. What would he tell them? Would he tell them the average amount of money that everyone is making is $203? Think about how mad that would make his citizens, right? If he said the average that you're making is $203. None of them are making anywhere near that amount. So they would all get ticked off at the king and probably revolt. But he can say the median salary is $4. And he's being truthful, although deceptive. So the median salary is $4. He would have two people saying, oh, I earn that much. He'd have one person saying, I earn a little bit more than that. So I have above the median. And you'd have one person who's like, yeah, I'm making lower than that, the median salary. Right? And the mode salary is the most common salary is $4. And again, you'd have a lot of people going, I have that, and some people going, I have a little bit more, some person going a little bit less. But you can see the message there, right? And that's just a way that we can critically think. When we know what mean, median, and mode mean, when we hear those terms being used in the news, on the media, out in the world, you can understand the context a little bit and hopefully be able to apply it and put it into situations that might make a little bit more sense for you. So again, the more you know, the more you know. Mode is the most, median is the middle, and mean is the average. I hope that lesson was helpful for you. Definitely use your head when you're listening to data and take everything that you've learned into consideration. Context is important. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.